Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be playing with a Barbie set. So here it is. Ta-da! It's the Barbie Beauty Salon set. So this is our Barbie doll. She has nice and blonde hair with a black hairband. She comes with a pink skirt and a white shirt. The shirt has pink and black polka dots, and there's a lace in the middle, and there's some black heels she's wearing. You can't see them because this logo is hidden in her shoes. There's some accessories too. There's a purple hairband and 4 clips. 2 are purple and 2 are pink. And comes with a blow dryer, hair extensions. This one's pink, this one's purple, and a mirror. This is just a sticker and a giant hairbrush. So let's get to unboxing. So I'm gonna open it from the downside. Wow, I'm so excited. Here comes our Barbie doll and her set. Wow, our Barbie, she's so cute, and you can see her heels. Let's cut these parts. Ooh, nice. And now, cut off this part. Wait, there's the other side. We need to cut this off. There. And there we need to cut these parts as well. Oh no, I forgot about her head. What's a be good, guys? Oh, whoa, we got it off. So here's our Barbie doll. She's very cute. Oh, and look at the big hair she's got. That's so big. Huh? Really? Sleeve that. Wow, what a soft skirt is this? And also a t-shirt, some lace. And I really love her heels. They're so cute. Let's see these other things inside. I'm gonna open this box up. Ooh, here we have our stuff. I'm gonna take it out. Loving the hairdryer it comes with. Hey, what was that? Oh, it was just a little clip. I'll take the mirror off. Come on, you blow dryer. And these 2 clips left in this. Oh my god. There. And we're gonna take our giant comb off too. There. Wow. See this comb? It's so cute and big. And this is a mirror. This is just a sticker. And comes with. So let's put this box inside. I'm gonna put these mini stuffs. Yep. And I'm gonna take the box away. What do you think? There. Here's our Barbie doll. I love her hair. It's so soft. So here are the hair extensions. They're also very cute. A pink one and a purple one. And there are some clips too. Pink clips and purple clips. And the best part of accessories is hairbands. There's a mirror. And my favorite part is the blow dryer, of course. So this is everything that comes with the set. So let's start styling Barbie. So first, I'm gonna use the blow dryer. Well, we don't really need to use that. Let's use the hair extensions. First, we gotta take off this hairband off. Let me cut the axis of this that comes with. Let me see if I can take it off. Oh no, I can't. So let's cut this part off. And off it goes. And wow, I really love the hairband it comes with. We're gonna use that later. Time to style Barbie. I'm going to open this hair extension clip. And now I'm gonna put it on one side of her hair. Where should I put it? Maybe here. Yep. Ouch. There we go. Nice hair extensions for you, Barbie. Let's use the pink one next. Maybe I'll use it on the other side. I'm gonna open up the clip. There we go. Here's Barbie's pink hair extension. Now next, we gotta comb her hair. But secondly, let's use these clips. They look very cute and I love them too. Oh, don't fall, Barbie. Now let's use these cute little clips. I'm gonna secure them with a quick hairstyle. Maybe I'll use this pink one since I really like pink. There. These strands. And we're gonna put them like this. Wow, cute. Now we're gonna add this one. Let me just, yep, good. We're good to go. And now we're just going to add the rosy clip. Wow, this looks a lot cuter. Look. Wow, and we can do any style we want. Time to use the purple hairband. That's the last thing we're doing. Oh, this hairband. Silly. And there. Woohoo! I look great. Thanks. So here's Barbie. So now we're gonna just a little bit of brush her hair so it can be smooth and nice. And here's our Barbie doll. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my channel, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends. So, bye!